Hello and welcome to Sierra B Trading. In today's video, I am going to be super transparent with you guys and share with you guys my profit and loss calendar so far for April. So that's what you see on the screen here. If you look in the top left, you'll see it is very current and this is what we're doing. So far for the month of April, I am up 160.11% on my return. And that means about $167.83 in profit. Now, I am building a small account. I am building this account this month up from roughly $100, give or take, something like that. But nonetheless, it's been give and take, as you can see. But the main thing that I'm focusing on right now is just getting as many green days as possible. I have been a options day trader for, at this point, about a year and a few weeks, right? And this is trending to be the very first month that I will be profitable by the end of the month. Now, granted, it's only the 8th. But as you can see, I've got 4 green days and 2 red days, so I'm starting off really good. I will say one thing that I have changed is my mindset. I used to be the type of person who will jump right in the market right at 8:30. As soon as the market opened, I'm on Central Time, so I would just jump in the market. Right now, I've got to get my kids ready for school, and they got to be at school at 9:05. So I am trying to get as much as I can and rushing and doing all the things in the morning. And so what I have been doing this month, which is different from the past, is actually waiting until I get the children all up, ready, out of here for school. And then when I get done dropping them off, I don't get into the market until around 9:15 or so, which gives a lot of time for that volatility that happens in the morning at market open to slow down and for me to be able to determine a break of structure of where the market is actually going. Are we trending down for the next couple of hours? Are we trending up? So that I can make a more educated decision on my entry and make a more precise exit. And that has been something that has saved me. I'm also teaching my son how to trade as well. My son is 19 and he has been able to profit. His goal is like $10 a day, and so he's able to do that. He's ranging about $8 to $12 a day right now, so slow and steady, but we're doing a really great job of him learning and me becoming profitable. So stay tuned if you're interested to see how the rest of this month goes. I will come back with another update maybe in about a week or so. I'll be bringing the profit loss calendar back. Hopefully it's still more green than red, and we'll just go over it together. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the meantime, I'll be trading. Blessings.